1969 was pretty special. Apollo 11 landing, Woodstock Music and Art Fair, Sesame Street debuts on national education television, and a new type of a dash trim in that car. What is the point of upgrading a dash trim in a G model or 964/993 generation? Regarding that car brand, there's no space for any random modifications. The perfect combination contains a mixture of all generations, including the F model where dash trims were made using aluminum. In all the generations like F model, you could see a lot of chromed or polished aluminum parts. That's why dash trims were silver to complement the rest of the car. In a G model, a new type of a dash trim appeared. That was a foam covered by black vinyl, and that type was produced till the last air-cooled generation 993. In my opinion, the aluminum dash trim is worth highlighting. It reminds me about the older, more classic generations of a car that we consider as an iconic, timeless silhouette of the sports car. And that upgrade allows us to combine fabrics, leather, veneer or basket weave with the aluminum that can be silver or anodized black. We can combine the dash trim with our beautiful ignition switch bezels. And we can keep the dash trim super clean by installing the no glove box version. Oh, and the knob rosettes we designed allow us to keep them silver or anodized black. There are some tricks to do when you install the dash trim in a G model or 964/993. The new type of a dash trim is higher than the F model one. You will find some empty space after removing the original part. That's why we designed an adapter and rosettes to install the knobs. In a G model, you will need a new rosette to install the light switch. Fortunately, we have it already. In a 964/993 there is a highlights height regulator. The original dash trim is thicker, so we supply an easy-to-use adapter to keep that knob in a position. When you decide to get a no glove box version, the glove box door needs some modifications. Our current solution is modifying the door, but we are working about a ready-to-use solution. And if you're watching this video a year after it was released, we probably have a solution for that already. The late 964 and a 993 generation lower dashboard is different than the earlier type. It contains a glove box. There is an airbag installed in the glove box area from the previous generation. You will need to remove the passenger airbag to install the dash trim. HVAC panel and the radio are the easiest things to deal with. We cut holes to install them easily. Just push the metal in case you want to have a radio. In our custom builds, we want to keep that part clean and install the radio in a glove box. In a 964/993, our dash trim can be combined with our AC panels. The knobs can be installed on top. They're beautiful, aren't they? What would be the easiest way to install our dash trim? There are many options and things we can combine, and they define the way we finish that thing. Just ask us and we will recommend you a lot of solutions and supply the instructions how to install it. Believe me, your interior is worth that upgrade.